Oh, hello! I'm Professor Spencewold. Today, I've been informed of a habitat of the party animal, a very elusive species of animal I've been tracking for over 6 months. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey, and we're going to go in here and see them in their natural habitat. Follow me! Party! Yeah! All right, we're at the entrance to the habitat of the elusive party animal. Now, before we begin this expedition, let me explain a little bit about the party animal. Now, the party animal was first discovered sometime around the 1950s. But it slowly evolved, and today the party animal is more prominent than ever. They've become much more crazy and willing to do terrible, terrible things to themselves in order to have a good time. So, we're going to carefully enter through here and observe.
Man, that party, huh?
Yeah,
Don't be that face.
sorry.
Dude, we should have a party.
We should. Oh.
We should really have a party. We gotta start a party. We gotta do a party. Come on.
But we just.
Okay, so we got cookies, we got chips, we got oranges. What else we got?
Pants! Do it.
We got that.
We got. Okay, we're doing this. We're partying!
Did you see them?
Get up.
Weren't they beautiful?
Okay, go ahead.
Hello! Okay, I've infiltrated the habitat, and I've discovered a fluid known as alcohol to the party animal, okay? So, I'm not sure of its effects upon being consumed, but we're going to go observe, alright? Follow me. I discovered later that alcohol is a beverage which constricts blood flow to the brain, creating a kind of high. For some reason, the party animals enjoy, often drinking large amounts at a time for social purposes. However, alcohol can cause the party animal to do ridiculous things that it wouldn't normally do, and is quite poisonous in bulk amounts.
Where's the bottle go? Give me that.
You getting this?
Here.
You guys, shut up.
Here's the bat.
Alright, I feel threatened, so we're gonna back off now.
Egg.
It's down there.
Get that thing off your head.
After some time of observation, I wanted to try communicating with them. I took note that the most common form of communication seemed to be mating calls, so I gave that a shot. Watch this!
So, what's a girl like you doing in a place like this? Have you heard of a place called Liverpool?
Wait.
The one on my left seems quite intimidated by my masculinity.
Don't worry about her.
What? What? Hello, viewers. So, we've witnessed the party animal in its natural habitat, and while you weren't looking, they accepted me as one of their own. They allowed me into their habitat, and allowed me to communicate and participate in their activities with them. I'm not sure what I did, but this may be a huge leap in the world of nature. Now tune in next time with Professor Spencewold and observe